What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We're here reporting live from the JerkFest right here in Centennial Park. Tonight is the first night of the annual JerkFest. Tonight features the one Masicka. So we're going to talk to Masicka. So follow us inside and let's see what's going on right here inside of the JerkFest. How many JerkFests have you been to?
Many JerkFests and many JerkFest stages.
I've been to JerkFest so many times. I have to think about how many times I miss. I miss about 3 times, but all the rest of the time I've been here.
This is my first time being here, bro.
I heard they're featuring jerk kangaroo. Are you eating any jerk kangaroo tonight?
No, thank you.
No, bro, I will have jerk chicken.
Yeah.
For sure, and some rice and peas.
As a Rasta man, I don't eat no kangaroo.
Secret items to a veggie chop.
Yes, but you know what? We're not discriminated because some people are gonna like kangaroo, some people are gonna like crow, some people are gonna like whatever. So who for love it, love it.
You understand?
But for me, you know, I would never eat a kangaroo.
You come to see Masicka tonight?
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So what's your favorite Masicka song?
Greatness I run in my blood.
Greatness I run in my blood.
I wish.
Yes, I wish. Mommy, can you forgive me for living like this?
I've been a Masicka fan from before it was underground, because Masicka was one of the longest reigning underground champion artists before him boss. But I would say Masicka, the newest, baddest Masicka is 20.
20 Matica Spa. Wednesday, empty barrel attack. How will them say?
Showcasing talent and doing all these beautiful things. We have to take the time out also to big up some of our sponsors for making this event 2024 TD JerkFest possible. So I want to start off by shouting out TD Ready Commitment, the Government of Canada, the Ontario Government, Courtyard Marriott, Flow 98.7, Ticket Pro.
Why do I always get that one? Toronto Person, the City of Toronto, Ontario Trillium Foundation, the OLG, Amazon, New Haven Funeral Center.
So what are we going to expect from JerkFest tonight?
Right now, the crowd looks beautiful. They came out to support their culture. The food smells good from a distance. I've tasted one of the jerk chickens already and it's amazing. The production itself was well organized and put together. So shout out to the entire team behind the entire production. And so far, me and Lincoln Links just vibing, having a great time, interacting with the crowd and the performances and the artists and the music. It's just a good vibes to Toronto, Canada.
100%. And you know tonight Masicka is he's a headliner tonight.
Yeah.
What's your favorite Masicka?
Oh my goodness. My daughter in Audi and my son I drive Benz or so. One of them song there.
Yeah.
But you know what, Masicka has he's been consistent with his music. He's had hit songs, good albums. You know, I think he has 2 hit albums running and he's been very consistent. So he's a good pick to be here for the headliner tonight.
Masicka is the headliner tonight, right?
Yeah.
What's your favorite Masicka song?
Pull up on road, 20 Maticas now. Well, yeah. But the real one is that they don't know my story. That is my favorite one. That is my favorite.
For sure.
Yeah.
And you know we're at the JerkFest where there's all type of food here, all right?
Right.
There's jerk kangaroo, jerk alligator,
Right.
and jerk rabbit. Which one are you trying tonight?
I wanted to try the kangaroo. I'm really want. You know what I mean? But I didn't get a chance to.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But I want to try the jerk lobster.
Yeah.
The jerk lobster.
Jerk lobster.
Yeah.
No, man, but we gotta go a bit more exotic, like alligator, rabbit.
I'm not an exotic
kangaroo.
person. I'm a sexy person for the ladies. So let's try jerk sexy, which is me, for the ladies.
So we're here backstage at the annual TD JerkFest, and we're here with the JerkFest ambassador himself. What's going on, boss?
Oh, I'm so excited to be here. Big respect to you. I see you doing an amazing job all the time. You know, I'm excited. The JerkFest asked me to be the ambassador for this year. JR, Mr. Just Right, and it's just amazing. 23 years the JerkFest has been doing this, you know what I mean? And it only gets bigger and better. Yesterday we kicked it off with the boat cruise, the meet and greet. So everybody had a chance to connect with Marcel Griffiths, Ding Dong, you know what I'm saying? As well as Farmer Nappy. And then Masicka just came, as you all seen. He'll be performing tonight. But then tomorrow, We have the repeat section of Ding Dong, Farmer Nappy, Marcia Griffiths, amazing vendors, tons of food, you know what I'm saying? It's so happy to be here. Every year, again and again, you gotta be here with us.
Regent Park, Eglinton, Western Road, Brampton, Scarborough, the whole GTA.
Tell them this, go on. I'm from the TD nigga. Put up on the squad, you take gunshot nigga. No kill when you lock now, who got club? From your knees, you looking at the Ross rock nigga. Yeah.
Papa shot them fat nigga. Crow eagle fly down on the spot. You say you're hungry for yam gun. Oh, you flipping up like you a big scratch.
Anything that would think them like roll it in your shot. Gosh! Look there, a bubble bottle, she a bubble some. And a long on her tongue, she a trouble now. Good man, she want me go cuddle up. She says she love me style, yeah, me love her too. In a me short pants or tall socks, and Nike or a Jordans. Bad tees are me dark glass. Even slippers are a man class. Yeah, short pants and me tall socks, and Nike or a Jordans. Bad tees are me dark glass. Even slippers are a man. Yeah, when you see me, we not straight up in. I'm not PS5, we not play any. When you see me with the squad, I'm not lame sitting. Be a girl I pray with, but we not move kidding. Yeah, me chain and my ring and my watch it much. The girl them call me hopscotch. Real top chopper top notch. We full of money like we just win the lot. Short pantash.
Mr. Eyesus, what's going on, boss?
Yeah, man, it's a pleasure being here at all time. You know that.
You know what I mean? When it comes to T-Dot, we know you're the one that locks down the place. What else you have coming for the rest of summer right now?
Yeah, well, me have enough collaboration, which is a surprise. You know what I mean? Coming for the Christmas. I was gonna drop it for the summer, but me I wait for the new year. You understand? But Toronto, look, me have big surprise with a collaboration and I'm not gonna expect. You know what I mean? So me I work on an EP right now. Plus me have some singles like Dream, and you know, rotating right now. So a whole heap of work I put in.
All proud Jamaica, put your hands in the air for me right now. Who knows Jamaica's national anthem? Let me can't sing it with me.
Eternal Father, bless forever.
Who knows sing?
Guide us with thy mighty hands. Keep us free from evil.
Rapid bass when the Jamaican people sing. Louder than that. To our great need. Sing. Justice. Well, every time you can bust a black in your ear, when you sing the party. Jamaica. We can play some song for Jamaican people. Every Jamaican, we get here. All of them about Tin Mackerel.
All my beautiful ladies, can you scream for me, please? Run it again, then, okay? You know a short time. Squeeze it. What the true genocide fans say? What the real genocide fans say? All of the Masicka fans say, man, if I said out here, I'm soon now we have so. I'm soon now we have so that Toronto Fest. Hey, listen, me know they are the top of it. John 99 with us. John 29 with us. Stuck in our time and it up. No, me not feel like us because of run out of some fresh body. Jump and chase the change of man. Don't back in our crime with that shot. Free me the man to the money. I'm banging on the roadside for me. But I'm not the outside it. When the father me down the back of this same road. And I know how we are. And that's the account. And the real truth. We are looking at God. Well, I'm dead. Land. Make me a done and the party get my mind. Every time. Good night again, I know a genocide in the building, I know I think, alright? Voila! Any Jamaicans in the crowd? Any hard-working people in the crowd? Box below. And the skies are bright, and the skies are green. And the skies are bright, and the skies are green. Who's there? Bloodline adjust the bloodline out by the battlefield. And punch mine, never bust mine on the road. We have it. This is the just get closer. And someone we have to read to see some killers cross up. Heart of the speed. Don't mind up a boy. Roadside and up a bar. Them trying to kill the dreams. Them when they're trying to touch a star. More finding up a car. More life in an entire. This time me are looking at Canada. Hold on. There's not a voice. And it's not a real. Out of the grave, we just some two never see. No some youth never see. We share the road together. Now scare them from the business. Now scare them from the business. Well, I'm gonna take off the shades. I want some money in that pocket. I'm gonna soon away so. I'm gonna see some phone lights in the crowd. They want to buy. Listen to me. I want to say to the dance like ain't no other. Don't make them cheat to the genocide and ballistic. Hold on. And I shoot and I score step. Food for the food for the tennis shade. Motivate the street and get this get to do the start. Come far, bastard, hot cat, carrot, hot side. So on the jet and come from our escape, but all the shots of fire. Hot farm, stay black, give me a notice. Tough farm, yeah. We have cash farm, 2 phone army. Smarty girl army. They say you want army. They say you want army. From them days, my family, hey, I'll have. Look at me, don't know five army now. You know, so it's always a vibe to perform in Canada, you understand? It's like home away from home. When the genocide finds them in the crowd there. Hold on. Hold on. Hey. here tonight? Anybody from Trinidad? Anybody from Barbados? What the Jamaican people up there? What the Toronto people? What the Canada people up there in that crowd? They say I don't want money in them pocket in there tonight. Ready? Hey man, don't live here still. One out of Gucci, out of we turn up at the bigger motor. So we got this second of motor. I'm in the mix, I'm in the motor. Let's go boy, support banana. And the big girl want a pump banana. The M1, 200 count a Ghana. No friend man, don't come out a drama. Say the man up and the man up out a mama. Say the man up, say the man out no matter. I mean no see no fence, no water. I got a baby money that me go. Me bring in charge of a minute like a barge of a bring a stick up like the to touch me in a yard. Look in the charge of she don't need. This time a rich like that, hold on. Hey man, I live here still. Canada, Montana, Montana, Gucci, Montana. Me pull up and I did your motor. Sorry that this time I have the motor. Balance it. Balance it. That's it for the genocide fans to read. We can't go down this matter one there. Balance it. They say, yo, who can step up, come we come bust this evening. Not to take a look, not off from the finger. We don't fly kicking our chest in our ninja. What is this chest in our this? What's this thing?
We're here backstage at the annual, I think it's the 23rd annual JerkFest in Toronto, and I just seen this man standing right here to me tear down the place with a plethora of hits. You know we have in the building, we have Mr. Masicka in the building.
It's a blessing, my brother, it's a blessing.
You see, welcome back to Toronto. I know it was 2022 was the last time we seen you.
Yes.
How did it feel to be back on the stage where it was your show, your performance, your platform all night?
Crazy. And I think the fans love every minute of the performance, you know what I mean? And the experience being in Canada is always an extraordinary one, you know what I mean? The fans, them love dancehall, them love the music, you know what I mean? And them really generate the vibe, so it's always a pleasure performing here. You know the ladies, them turn out crazy, the thugs, them turn out. You know the ball here.
You know, why do you have such a wide variety of tunes where you can actually, for the girls, for the man, them reality, gangster, them, you seem to write for everybody. And how I knew you were serious, when I seen you with the two backup singers tonight, I said, you know what? Masicka is dead serious with his performance.
Yes, music is an art, you know what I mean? And we keep growing, you know what I mean? And we listen, you know what I mean? And we try to learn. And every day we just go into the studio, we try to execute, you know what I mean? To watch the greats them, you know what I mean? And being in the industry for quite a while, you know what I mean? Finding so much hits, you know what I mean? It's only getting better with each step. So performance of a master, the work of a master. So for me, it's versatility, because I don't want to on the stage and I only have song for the man them, or I on the stage and I only have song. You know what I mean? We have to represent for everybody. The youths them we are try, you know what I mean? We have to represent for the thugs them we are make the money, the females them we are hot, you know what I mean? So my black woman them, my white woman them. So it's a versatility thing, you know what I mean? And we're just blessed with a gift from God. We just apply it each and every day. We don't waste no time, you know what I mean?
Definitely. Yeah. I know your album just came out a couple months ago, Generation of Kings. Why did you even give it a name like that? And when you listen to it, you could see that album is a totally different beast. Just like 437.
Yeah, man.
How do you formulate an album?
You don't know here what, you know what I mean, is a long journey, and as I tell you, growth in the music and being able to reach so far and reach all everywhere. You know, the fans them look on it and say, yo, you know, so the youth are one of the toughest things in a dancer. So I have to make sure we maintain on a different level, you understand? So I always think outside of the box, and always think how to motivate the youth on a different level. We can't just do what everybody do, you know what I mean? And we're there in the mix, you know what I mean? So after the 438 and we dominate the charts them and dominate, you know what I mean, the dancehall, we did know so we have to go a level above that, you know what I mean? So yeah, as I tell you, no rest, is it?
Definitely. Last one I have for you here. We're at the JerkFest right here, and I know they have a lot of exotic jerk stuff. They have jerk kangaroo, jerk rabbit, jerk alligator. Would you try any of those here?
You know, me never eat no food still.
Yeah.
Nah. Yeah, as me just forward with performance for my mind, but I don't know. I'm sure the patrons them enjoy it, you know what I mean? Because from you say jerk, I don't know it work. Is
you know
it? All right.
Family, big up yourself and thank you. Where could they check you out on social media?
You don't know Masicka music, every single thing, you understand? Instagram, Twitter, every social media, and you know anything,
One side.
Till the last.
Genahsyde. You see me? Picture and we're out here. Babes, take a picture and we'll go. So that's the conclusion of night 1 of the annual JerkFest right here in Centennial Park. Listen, we just spoke to Masicka, Eyesus, Nicky Hype, Linky Links, Fire Kid Steenie, and so much more. Tonight was amazing. This is night 1. Wait till you see night 2 and 3 with Marcia Griffiths, Ding Dong, and Farmer Nappy. It's going to be amazing. We'll be back and you'll see what we see. In the meantime, we are